Hey, Roque here with another Trade Journal video. It is 12/21, 2023, and today is a mean red day. Um, First red day in a while, which is good news. Bad news, I had bad trading. Now, to be honest, I think that a lot of my bad trading today was due to me accidentally hitting uh, a button I didn't mean to hit. I was in a profitable trade. I had a nice little scalp this morning, and then I was entering in for another minor swing, and I was profitable on both. And when I was looking to buy back some of my shorts, I accidentally hit sell, um, which is a really I don't know, stupid thing. But you know what? It's happened more than once to me. And you know what? Like I'm not gonna go too hard on myself for it, but I do know that I do know what I should do in result of doing that. So actually, like I was scaling into my trade, and the trade started pulling back. It was a nice pullback. I said I'm gonna get short on and scaled in on here, and then as I was looking for the price to go back down to my original take profit area, I hit sell again instead of buy back on the shorts. So um, yeah, I sold even more when I was trying to take profit in my head, and the market started pulling way back. And I said, okay, let me scale in more because this is going to be a trading range. And it hit my stop and then resumed back in my direction. So I was red pretty big today. And I went on to the here's another thing I am not proud of. I went on to my ES contracts instead of the micros, and I just got in on a quick like 4 point scalp on two contracts to make up half of what I lost. So essentially revenge trading. But I will say that my revenge trade, I I wasn't emotional. I really was like, okay, let me think about this and let me enter. So let's take a look at the chart, right? So, um, you ready for this? So this is where I had a big loss today. So you can see that I had a nice little scalp down on two contracts. Was up like maybe 20%, right? And then we get a break below the open, and or like the opening bars low. And notice I didn't take any trades yet. I was like, I'm not going to do this quite yet. I want to see a follow through. And I saw on the close, we got follow through selling. So I entered at the market, right? And scaled in a little bit as it was forming. So it was going down here, pulled back a little bit, sold some more. It was coming down here. My original take profit was at the high of yesterday's bar 77, right? So I was almost there. We started pulling back some more, right? So I sold right up here. We resumed the trend, right? And this at you can see the price right over here. It was at 74. What is it? 70. It was at 75 flat. I went to buy back, right? And you can see where this is at. This is at like a little retracement area of this whole move up, this leg up, right? So I was looking to sell, or I mean buy back my shorts here, half of them, and instead I got short again. And I was like, oh fuck, you know? And I was like, okay, let me just see how this goes. It starts going in my direction a little bit and then comes right back up. And I'm like, okay, let me sell like one more here. Start coming up more. I'm like, all right, let me sell another one up here, right? Like as this was forming, it was doing a lot of bouncing up, but these moves were too strong. I should have just exited, right? Um, and notice where my stop loss was. It was about a tick above bar 3 here, right? So it sets a new high, and then boom, comes right back down. So I was pretty upset. I was like, wow, if I set my stop loss wider, maybe this would have, whatever. It's not healthy for me to think about it like that. I think it's important that I leave my stops the way they are. But really, I think I would have managed this a lot better if I had, instead of hitting sell market, hit the buy market when I wanted to buy back here, right? You can see that, like, my trade got mismanaged. And I think the next time, because I'm not going to say it's not going to happen again. Like, I'm human. I make mistakes, you know. Um, if I were to misclick on these buttons and stuff again, which, I'm going to try my best not to, and be very, very aware of this next time. Next time that happens, I'm just going to close the whole trade because it messed up my whole psychology. I wasn't planning on scaling in up here, right? And I wasn't planning to take on like all this size, right? So I was in my full size position up here, and now I'm taking like a 10-point loss, right? So I lost a good amount, you know, on that whole swing. You know, I really wish, I didn't. I was like pissed. I was like, whatever. So, this is where I made back some money here on the ES. I got long. I'm thinking big down, big up, right? Big up, big down, big up, big down. This is trading range. I'm going to get in on a scalp, 2 contracts. I saw got in at the EMA on the close. It was above it. And so, oh my God, pretty itchy right now. And I bought another here, and you can see that I got a nice exit right here. I just trailed my stop up 4 points. So made up for my losses a little bit, but still down about 300 on the day. So about 50% down on a full position. Or more than that, actually, about 60%. But, whatever. I'll take the hit. I do not care. Again, like, I really think that I think I was having a great day. I had a good read on everything, and I was very skeptical on the market going to continue in that direction. We were having big up, big down. I was thinking trading range. Once I saw that that trend was weakening, and yeah, my psychology just got all sorts of fucked up when I accidentally added more to my position than reducing. You can see too, like, my plan, my read on what I thought was happening. Let's get rid of these markers again. Is coming down in this area again. So, yeah, disappointed. I am disappointed. Disappointed in myself, disappointed on the day. It's okay. I missed a hell of a day yesterday. I mean, look at this. Look at that. It's huge. It was like 70 points or something. Yeah. So, yeah. All right, so I'm going to try to enjoy the rest of my day. I'm going to the dentist, and then, yeah, I'm going to go to the gym, got to study up, and just going to take it easy. So, yeah, see you later. Thank you for watching. Oh, yo, I have 23 subscribers. That's great, and thank you all for subscribing. Please feel free to comment whatever you want to comment. I'll try to get back to it. Yada, yada. See you later. Bye.